guys, लाज है लगेर Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So this channel is particularly dedicated to educate and aware you about mental health awareness. So some of you finally may have landed abroad. So feeling lonely, going to abroad is a very big decision of lot of Nepalese students, especially those who dream high, those who dream to have a new career, those who dream to have financial independence and have a better life. So they want to pursue the dream of going abroad. But do you know the negative side? What all mental burden one has to go through when initially one land up abroad. So some of the mental health challenges and some of the challenges that students face abroad and how these challenges take a heavy toll on their mental health. We're going to discuss about that, gentlemen. First and foremost, a cultural shock and identity crisis. First and foremost, when you land in a foreign land, you have to learn a new language, adjust to new people. Or the thing is totally different. You have to be a different self and you have to leave your previous self, your previous identity. That somehow lead to loneliness and identity crisis. At the same time, second thing, we are there to have a better dream, but that dream has a cost. What is the cost? The cost is multiple working hours, too much of educational stress, too much of academic pressure, financial expectation. All this take a toll on your mental health, and many definitely resort to bad coping activities. What are these bad coping activities? Especially smoking and bad habits like drinking, alcohol, and all those things. So people have a lot of pressure out there, and some definitely manage to go through, but lot people do not. Okay, at the same time, missing your friends, missing your family is definitely gonna be there, and you're gonna feel anxiety, lonely. At the same time, discrimination. Lot of Nepalese students feel direct confrontation or discrimination from the people abroad, and that somehow lead to feeling of anxiety, depression. Managing work, life, personal life plus studies is a very challenging task. Okay, so that will definitely put lot of mental burden on the student. So what we need to do? Okay, these are some practical solutions that you can always try out. Go and check out a lot of videos on self-care, meditation and therapies out there. First and foremost, priority should be you. If you are mentally healthy, physically healthy, then definitely you are going to overcome all the challenges. Try to contact with those people who have already been there. Try to get their experience and how did they cope up with all the challenges out there. Frequently be connected with your family and friends. That will definitely give you a sense of belongingness. Try working out different things. Educate those and educate yourself about the negative coping habits like smoking and drinking, and actually substitute them for a very healthy habits like meditation, exercise, workout, reading books, and all lot of things. Try learning stress management technique, because you're gonna get lot of stress because we will have limited time but lot of things to do. So learn stress management, and also try managing your family expectation and your personal expectation. I know you are there to excel, but at the same time be practical, be realistic. Try manage your time. Do not burn out, because burnout can subsequently lead to mental health problem. And why I'm not talking about mental illness, because if you don't manage your mental health problem, certainly it's gonna go wild and you gonna somehow suffer from mental illness. So guys, be practical, use good coping mechanism, learn stress resistance techniques, relaxation techniques, manage time and do everything possible. And first and foremost, take care of your mental health, take care of yourself. Self is the first, other is the second. With that, I would just like to thank you all. Thank you guys. Hey.